Hello, good morning from this side, Nigeria. It's your one and only person, Asampete. I'm sorry I've been away for some time. Yeah, just busy with a lot of things. But I'm back. So I guess we can have our Igbo class now. How many of you missed me? Seriously, I missed you guys. And I'm sorry I was away for so long. Okay, once again, Eziara Ohoro. I hope you are catching fun. Right here in Kano State, Nigeria, we are experiencing serious harmattan. As in, see how I'm dressed now. I covered everywhere. Somebody is freezing. Okay, so we are going to talk about season, times and season in Igbo language. Times and season. Oge in English is time or season. Are you getting it now? So in English we say the season is, so in Igbo the season is means ogabo, ogabo. All right. So we have rainy season, oge udummiri. Rainy season, oge udummiri. So to use that to make a sentence, this is rainy season. Ugbua bụ oge udu mmiri. Ugbua bụ oge udu mmiri. Okay? Hot season. Hot season or heat season. Oge okpomọkụ. Oge okpomọkụ. Now is heat season. Ugbua bụ oge okpomọkụ. Yeah, sorry. I know you're hearing some noise in the background. Yeah, I am in my school. Like I told you the last time, I'm a proprietress, and my school is at Sarikeyake, Savangeri, Kano State. So, and lastly, Hamatan, Ogoro, Hamatan, Ogoro, Hamatan season, Oge Ogoro. Oge Ogoro. So here in Kano State, we are at Oge Ogoro. Okay? So I'll be stopping here. Catch you some other time.